Today, I'm going to be sketching Airlock, which was recently nominated for Plant Engineering's Product of the Year. Developing Airlock was especially exciting because it marked a new direction for Luneta. While we're known for products to help monitor the health of oil inside machines, Airlock tackled a different challenge, preventing oil contamination during storage. What you see me sketching now looks a lot like one of our sight glasses, and that's because it is. Airlock's outer shell is just a modified 2-inch sight glass. It didn't make sense for us to design and mold a new enclosure when we already sold a part that was the right size and shape. In the lower left-hand corner, I've drawn a 50-gallon oil drum. Oil drums are great for transport, but not for long-term storage. The problem is with the drum plugs and the headspace between the plugs and the oil. Small fluctuations in ambient temperatures cause the air inside the drum to expand and contract, stressing the plug seals to the point of failure. When this happens, the drums are essentially breathing outside air, along with dust, moisture, and other contaminants. And that was the problem we aimed to solve. So after a bit of brainstorming, prototyping, and testing, the solution we arrived at was to create a small amount of positive pressure inside the drum, just a few psi above atmospheric, to buffer and block contaminants from entering. To make this work, we had to solve 3 engineering challenges: how to conveniently pressurize the air inside the drum, how to indicate and confirm positive pressure, and how to prevent overpressurization. We began with a standard feature found in every 50-gallon drum, the 2-inch bunghole or opening, which perfectly accommodated our existing 2-inch sight glass. From there, we just integrated 3 essential components: a Schrader valve to pump the air in, just like the one on a car or bike tire, a pressure relief valve, and a visual pressure indicator. As I'm finishing up the sketch, you'll begin to notice the familiar shape of a Luneta sight glass. You'll also see the Schrader valve protruding from the left, and on the right, embedded inside the hex, is the small pressure relief valve. The internal core assembly, that black part in the middle, houses a diaphragm, spring, and the fluorescent yellow indicator that rises and falls with pressure. And to wrap it all up, we added a red decal in the shape of a ring, just like the ones used on many of our other products. And that's it. That's the Luneta Airlock, a simple, elegant solution designed to protect your stored oil from contamination. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to cast your vote for Product of the Year. Thank you.